Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alistair Azimuth? I know, it was touch and go there for a while, but the old Lombax instinct kicked in and,
I told you to leave me. You shouldn't have come back.
Wow, that was not the reaction I was expecting. And why should we trust you? You ejected us into Clank! Clank! Clank?
Ratchet is Ratchet, 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 Ratchet.
Clank?
Ratchet.
Clank, Clank.
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 Ratchet, Ratchet, Ratchet.
Clank. Clank.
Ratchet.
Clank. Clank. Clank.
Ratchet.
Clank! Clanks.
Ratchet.
Clank!
Ratchet. Ratchet. Ratchet!
Ratchet Lover 1998, 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 and Ratchet Lover 1998.
Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly.
Will it ever stop?
Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle.